What I do here matters to me because this is where I grew up. When I started landscaping, knowing that I could work for 5 days and not be in the same place 5 days in a row, it was exciting. It keeps it interesting. You're never doing the same thing, you're never facing the same challenge. You say landscaping to people, a lot of the times they think you cut grass. Landscaping to us is taking a job site and turning it into something beautiful, turning it into something useful. We started working with a builder and he was doing a townhome in the dead center of Clarksville. It was a difficult lot, very small lot, not a whole lot of yard to work with. Rolling with the punches on job sites like this is the only way you're gonna get them done. The finished product is, to this day, still gets compliments. People know us for our responsiveness. We get the job estimated, we get it designed, we get the estimate sent off. The second it's approved, we're rolling out there. We're gonna do what we do best. That's what we've become known for. Weidner Landscape has exclusively run Takeuchi. In 21, we bought our TL8, and ever since that, the only excavator, the only other skid steer I'll rent is a Takeuchi machine. Having a machine that we know we can walk out onto a job site and start every morning, and it's going to do what we expect it to do, and in some cases more than we expect it to do, is a game changer. Our TL8 has been through some things that some machines should just never have to go through. And it has not faltered once. We've cleared some massive lots, we've taken out some really big trees, we've done some really big grading projects, and all of them have been because of the machines that Takeuchi makes. When you have the right equipment, things just feel right. I mean, that's all there is to it. It's a fantastic machine. The support is great as well. We have a number of dealers in the area who are very responsive, very nice. They'll take care of you. They'll pick up the phone as if I'm calling my aunt, and the lady on the other end is just, "Hey John, how are you? It's great to hear from you. What do you need this time? Let me see if I can get it for you." Our website says, "Beauty once seen can never be forgotten." And that's something we hold on to. The standard doesn't get met if you don't have the things that can get the job done. Having those machines out there is the reason that we have the confidence to say we're doing this all the way. We've got this 100%. I don't care about the dollar signs. Some people think that I'm crazy for that. This is my hometown, and I plan on it being my hometown for the rest of my life. And if I can make it something that people can look at and enjoy, people can look at and respect, then that's all that matters.